10 idioms, meaning 5 examples each. 1. Cold feet, meaning feeling nervous or unsure about a big decision or action, especially right before doing it. Examples: Sarah got cold feet just before her big presentation at work. He was ready to propose, but he got cold feet when he saw how crowded the restaurant was. The new investor got cold feet and backed out of the deal at the last minute. After months of planning the trip, she got cold feet and decided to stay home. I was going to sign the contract, but I got cold feet after thinking about the risks. 2. Cut corners, meaning to do something in the easiest, cheapest, or quickest way, often sacrificing quality. Examples: the builder cut corners by using substandard materials, and the house began to show cracks within a year. When you cut corners, it often leads to problems in the long run. They cut corners on the project to meet the deadline, but the quality suffered. The company was accused of cutting corners to save costs, which led to a product recall. She cut corners while preparing dinner, using canned ingredients instead of fresh ones. 3. Break a leg, meaning a way to wish someone good luck, especially before a performance or event. Examples: break a leg, I said to my sister before her big dance recital. Everyone in the crew told the actor to break a leg before he went on stage. My friends told me to break a leg before my job interview. The coach told the team to break a leg before their championship game. As I left for my speech, my colleagues told me, break a leg. 4. On thin ice, meaning in a risky or dangerous situation where one could get into trouble. Examples: after missing so many deadlines, he was on thin ice with his boss. She knew she was on thin ice after being late to work 3 days in a row. The student was already on thin ice with the teacher due to his poor behavior. The company is on thin ice financially after several bad investments. After the argument, he realized he was on thin ice in his relationship. 5. Hit the sack, meaning to go to bed or go to sleep. Examples: I'm exhausted, I'm going to hit the sack early tonight. After a long day of traveling, I was ready to hit the sack. As soon as we got home from the party, everyone decided to hit the sack. I stayed up too late last night, so tonight I'll hit the sack earlier. It's been a tiring week, and I can't wait to hit the sack this weekend. 6. In hot water, meaning in trouble or in a difficult situation. Examples: he found himself in hot water after missing the deadline for the 3rd time. The politician got in hot water after making a controversial statement. The employee was in hot water for arriving late every day this week. You'll be in hot water with your parents if you don't clean your room. The CEO got in hot water with investors after the company's stock dropped. 7. Piece of cake, meaning something that is very easy to do. Examples: the math test was a piece of cake. I finished it in 10 minutes. For someone who cooks often, making this recipe will be a piece of cake. Learning to ride a bike was a piece of cake once I practiced for a few hours. Fixing the flat tire was a piece of cake for him. After studying all night, the exam was a piece of cake for me. 8. Rule of thumb, meaning a general guideline or principle based on experience or practice. Examples: as a rule of thumb, it's best to back up your data at least once a week. A good rule of thumb is to always double-check your work before submitting it. As a rule of thumb, you should replace your smoke detector batteries twice a year. The rule of thumb in baking is to preheat the oven before starting. As a rule of thumb, it's wise to save at least 10% of your income. 9. Up in the air, meaning uncertain or undecided, not yet settled. Examples: our vacation plans are still up in the air because we haven't picked a destination. The future of the project is up in the air due to budget cuts. Whether they will attend the event is still up in the air. The decision on the promotion is up in the air until next week. The outcome of the game is still up in the air as the teams are tied. 10. Pass the buck, meaning to shift responsibility or blame to someone else. Examples: the manager tried to pass the buck when the project failed, blaming his team instead. Don't pass the buck. Take responsibility for your actions. He always tries to pass the buck instead of solving the problem himself. The politician was accused of passing the buck when the scandal broke. The CEO refused to pass the buck and took full responsibility for the company's losses.